Okay, so let us continue with another set of problems from number 16 to 21. I think ito medyo mabilis ang solving. So let's start with number 16. A 2.5-inch diameter solid shaft, is desired to replace a hollow shaft having 3.5-inch outside diameter. Okay, consider the strength to be the same. Determine the inside diameter of the hollow shaft. Di ba mayroon tayo na-derive dyan na on our previous solving ng problems, we have derived a certain equation. Okay? So that is, if you can recall, sa number 16, di ba yung DODI, di ba? DODI equal to DODS. You can recall? Paano yun, sir? Di ba sabi dito, SS ni hollow is equal to SS ni solid. So, equate natin. 16 T DO divide by pi DO to the fourth minus DI to the fourth equal to 16 T over pi diameter ni solid cube. Anong pwede natin cancel? Sabi dito, equal torsional strength. So, this is what you'll do. Cancel mo si 16, si torque, 16, torque, si pi. You can now simplify. Okay, pag hindi alam yung direktang formula, pwede mo naman gawin to eh. Okay? So, DO, i-multiply ko na si DS. Equal to DO to the fourth minus DI to the fourth. Ito yung direktang formula. Okay? Ang hinahanap natin is inside diameter. O the inside diameter to the fourth equal to DO DS cube minus, hindi pala. So, inilipat ko pala dito yung DI. So, this will become DO to the fourth minus DO DS cube. O, pasok natin yung value. DI is equal to fourth root na to. Yung DO natin is 3.5 tapos 2.5 yung solid. 3.5 raised to the fourth minus 3.5 times 2.5 cube. So, inch ang lalabas. DI is equal to fourth root, no? So, this is fourth root. So, 3.5 raised to the fourth power minus 3.5 times 2.5 raised to the third power. So, the answer is 3.125 inch. Check. Good for number 1. And number 17. Okay. May keyword tayo dito. Basahin natin. A 1.8-inch diameter short shaft used to transmit 45 HP. Determine the shaft speed. Okay? So, this could be the PSME formula. Meron tayong main power transmitting, meron tayong line shaft, short shaft. Ano yung mga factors sa baba? 80, 53.5, and 38. So, let us go solving this problem. Number 17. Short shaft. Okay, for short shaft, power is equal to ND cube divided by 38. Okay, 38. So, ang hanapin natin is N. N is equal to, alam na natin ang value ng N is RPM. Pero gagawin natin RPS. Okay? So, relax lang. This is 38P divided by D cube. So, 38 times the power. The power is 45 HP. Huwag nyo nalagyan ng unit. Divide by D cube, 1.8 inch. Huwag nang lagyan ng unit. Ang lalabas dito is RPM. Kailangan ko per second. Okay? Times ko na lang ng 1 minute every 60 seconds. Para maging RPS. N is equal to 38 times 45. Okay? Divide by 60 times 1.8 raised to the third power. That is 4.887 RPS. Okay. 2 points again. Check. Okay. Another one. Okay. Keyword again. Keyword again. A main shaft is 60 millimeters diameter. Kaya lang naka mm siya. So, metric. Every empirical formula or code formula is always naka-English. Take note of that. Running at 280 RPM. So, you have to convert first. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung kanyang main power. So, main power, transmitting shaft, that is 80 ang factor. So, 18. So, power is equal to N D cube. Anong factor niya? 80. Hinahanap natin dito is the power. So, you have N. N is 280, 60 millimeter, okay? 280 times 60 millimeter, 60 divided by 25.4 para maging inch. Cube, divide by 80. This will become, okay, 280 times 60, 25.4 cube divided by 80. So, 46.134 HP. Oh, 3 points na ako sa problem. Check. Next, Panay codes. So, keyword, what is the diameter of the line shaft that transmits 180 kilowatts at 200 RPS, at 20 RPS? Okay, 20 RPS and 180 kilowatts. So, line shaft, number 19. Power is equal to N D cube 53.5. I want to know yung diameter. So, reform natin yung equation na diameter is equal to cube root ng 53.5P divided by N. A power is in kilowatt, tapos RPS, convert ka na lang. Kaya humihirap. So, cube root, okay, 53.5 para maging kilo HP. This is 180. Okay, 180 kilowatts. Okay, correct. 180 divided by 0.746 para maging HP. Divide by N na 20 RPS, 20 revolutions per second. I have to multiply it with 60. Kaya magiging inch na to. So, D is equal to cube root (53.5) times 180 divided by 0.746 times 20, kulang ako ng 0 dito, times 60. The answer is 2.2 inch. 2.21. Oh, ulit. Correct ulit. 2.2 inch. 2.208 inch. Basic. Okay? Next, number 20. Calculate the maximum unit shear in a 3-inch diameter steel shafting. So, binigay steel. Keyword. Okay? Keyword. Steel shafting that transmits the torque of 25,000 inch-pound and then N. Meron ka. Okay. So, meron kang D. meron kang torque. Maximum unit shear, o di shear stress lang. So, 20 shear stress is equal to 16 T over pi d cube. 16 times 25,000 pound inch. Divide by pi times diameter niya. 3 inch. Cube. Makancel, pound, inch, PSI nga lalabas. So, 16 times 25,000 divide by pi times 27. 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Okay? This is 4715.702 inch, pound inch squared or PSI. Basic. For number 20. 21. A solid shaft, sabi niya, solid shaft, 5 meters long, is stressed to 80 MPa. When twisted through 5 degrees, find the shaft diameter. Anong sinabi ko nga dyan? The first one that you'll choose is yung torsion. Okay? Yung deflection. Kailangan hindi madi-deflect yung shaft mo. Kasi pag nag-deflect yan, ibig sabihin, na-surpass niya yung stress. Okay, doon tayo mag-select sa torsion. You have 5 degrees torsion. Okay? So, for 21, theta is equal to TL over JG. Meron ba tayong diameter? Okay? Find the shaft. Ayun pala hinahanap. Tapos may given na G. Okay? So, di tayo. Theta is equal to T L over pi 32 d to the fourth G. Okay? Algebra na kagad. So, akit ko muna. Theta is equal to 32 TL over pi d to the fourth G. I-reform natin in terms of D. D to the fourth is equal to 32 TL over pi theta G. So, D is equal to fourth root 32. The torque is given by torque. Patay tayo. Patay tayo dyan. Walang torque. Tama ba? Pero meron tayong 80 MPa. Pwede kong makuha ba yung torque kay 80 MPa? Yes. Yes, correct. So, burahin ko muna siya. Mag-algebra na naman tayo, sir. Diba, may stress is equal to 16T over pi ds cube. Okay. Sir, makinig ka muna. Pwede ko munang ibalik ito sa theta. Okay? Dito ko ulit muna. Burahin ko muna to. So, focal point. We don't have any torque. Tama? So, ito, i-reform ko ng in terms of torque. So, torque will be equal to SS pi, diameter ng shaft, cube, divide by 16. Papasok ko ngayon siya dito sa torque. So, theta is equal to 32 times SS times pi, diameter cube, divide by 16. Okay? Pi, diameter to the fourth, okay, kulang ng L, diameter to the fourth, G. May maka-cancel ba? Itong diameter to the fourth, magiging D na lang, isa. Cancel ito. Si pi, ito magiging 2. Tama? So, simplifying, 2 SS L. Divide by DG. Hindi 6 yan, DG. Okay? So, D will be equal to 2 SS L divide by theta G. Diba, na-simplify natin by using algebra. So, diameter now will be equal to 2 times SS. 80 MPa. 80 Newton every millimeter squared. The length is 5 meters, so 5,000 mm. Divide by theta, 5 degrees. 5, check nga natin kung tama yung ating inuwa. Okay, 5 degrees. 5 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. Times G is 90 times 1,000 Newton every millimeter squared. Cancel all same units. Theta, theta. Newton per millimeter squared, Newton per millimeter squared. So, the answer will be mm na lang. So, calculate the value. 2 times 80 times 5,000 divide by 5 pi divide by 180 times 90 times 1,000. So, the answer is 101.859 mm. Check nga natin kung tama. Basic ano? Okay? That is very basic. Okay? Another problem set has been done.